Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to discover how to boost your writing with ChatGPT Canvas? Click the Create button, then choose Presentation from the options. For this demo, we'll use Presentation. After selecting it, proceed to the next step to continue. In the Elements tab, search for Book to find relevant graphics. Select a graphic you like, then click to add it to your design for further customization or placement. Add this image to your project, then enlarge it to fit your layout. Next, open ChatGPT in your browser. In the chat box, type "Give me 5 suggestions" and press Enter. Wait for the response to generate. Use the list provided to continue with your project. Repeat this process if you need more ideas or different suggestions from ChatGPT. Copy and paste your book titles into the designated text area. After adding the titles, they'll automatically appear in your design. Next, select the text to customize its appearance. Click on the Effects menu to add visual effects such as shadows or outlines. You can also choose from various style options. Additionally, use the formatting options to create lists or add numbers to organize your book titles efficiently. Click Add Header to insert a header section. Type your desired title in the header field. After entering your title, select the text. Use the formatting toolbar to click the Underline button, applying an underline style to your header for emphasis and clarity. To change the color, select the object you want to edit. Then, click the color picker or palette option and choose your desired color from the available options to update it. To remove the underline, highlight the text, then click the Underline button or press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. The underline will disappear, leaving your selected text unformatted. Drag the object slightly to reposition it as needed now. With your design open, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Before saving, increase the file size or resolution for higher quality. Adjust these options as needed, then click Download to save your improved design. Level up your writing with ChatGPT Canvas! If you learned something new, give us a like and subscribe for more helpful tips.